living in a glass house, throwing stone. Living in a glass house, you don't throw stone. You can throw cats by the tail, but don't throw stones. Living in a glass house, ain't no throwing stones. Living in a glass house, throwing stones. Who's living in a glass house? Raise your hand if you know. Probably that person is not throwing stones, 'cause you can throw stones if you live in a regular house. But if you live in a glass house, no throw stones. Don't throw stones. But you can throw cats by the tail, but no throw stones. Yes, living in a glass house. It's oh so hard living in a glass house. Can't throw stones. No stones! So sad! You don't throw stones. You can throw cats by the tail if you're living in a glass house. But you don't throw stones. Yippee-ki-yay! Me, my house is made of glass. My enemy was picking on me. I picked up the cat and I threw it at his face. And now he's never ever gonna bother me again. Heck yeah. No, I cannot throw stones, but I can throw cats if it's between me and that cat, or the person who's a bully. Get what's coming to him. I picked up the cat, didn't even look. I just picked up the cat by the tail, threw it at my foe. At my foe! 'Cause I'm living in a glass house. Ain't no drugstore, no more. Living in a glass house. No stones. But you can throw cats by the tail if you dare. But you don't throw stones. Me, I'm living in a glass house. That's why I throw a cat by the tail at all my foes, and just as well, 'cause he never come back. Never come back. Hot air balloon, hot air balloon. The 7 nights spree of the hot air balloon. Fall-colored hue, red, orange, and blue, and also green with the water balloon. I will pop your balloon. If that don't work, I'll throw a kitty cat at you. Meow!